Yo, Dang just challenged you to an outfit battle. Check out his new video.
No way. Really?
Nelson, aka Men's Fashion Files, you have 24 hours to respond to this challenge. So what's it gonna be, bro? I'm right here. I want all the smoke. Bring it.
So a couple months ago, I made a Zara haul video, and this YouTuber named kickitwithdang thought it'd be a good idea to challenge me to an outfit battle. If he wants a battle, then he's gonna get one. Dang, explain to me what the rules are one more time.
This is the Zara style outfit challenge, and so here are the rules. Rule number 1 is that we must incorporate these 3 exact Zara pieces right here. And rule number 2 is that we are to create 3 different types of outfits, one including each of these pieces, but utilizing our own personal style and taste.
Perfect, that works with me. Let's do this. For the first outfit, we have the gray corduroy overshirt. And I want to keep this outfit simple and low key and play around with the monochromatic tones. Never would I thought that corduroy would make a comeback, but here we are. This is a very simple button-up shirt with a left chest pocket. For the jeans, I'm wearing my all black slim jeans from Banana Republic, which is one of my favorites in my wardrobe because of how comfortable the material is. And to finish off that monochromatic look, I'm wearing matte black military styled boots. These are Goodyear welted cap-toed boots from Thursdays. Definitely one of my favorite shoes to wear. I wanted to drop a subtle hint of color with this monochromatic outfit, so I decided to bring in some gold accessories. On my left hand, I'm layering a gold beaded bracelet with a twist style bracelet, and on my right hand, I have a black and gold watch. I'm a strong believer that if you're going for a monochromatic look, you gotta throw in some accessories to make it more interesting. If this outfit's too low key for you, then throw in a leather jacket and bam, you are good to go. You know I couldn't do an outfit battle without bringing in a leather jacket. Leather jacket itself will bring you so much more attention to your outfit, even if you're wearing all black. Because of how much attention a leather jacket brings, I wouldn't pair it with any loud colors, so this plain gray corduroy shirt will pair perfectly with this biker jacket. For the second outfit, we have the white puffer jacket. I had to bring in my black turtleneck sweater because I don't play around with these outfit challenges. I always love the look of wearing a turtleneck underneath a collared shirt. The turtleneck gives it that illusion of elongation, while the shirt collar does the exact opposite by being flat and resting against your shoulder. Pairing these two up will give you a nice balance to your outfit. For the pants, these are gray slim fit chinos from Uniqlo. I decided to cuff them to give it that crop look and also to bring more emphasis to the white socks and white shoes combo to match the white jacket. These shoes are the New Balance 791 with the gum soles. Because of how white this jacket is, you would definitely stand out from the crowd, and since this is a pretty loud piece, I wanted to bring some balance to my outfit by pairing it up with some low tone colors, thus the black sweaters and gray chinos. The white jacket is the focal point and attention grabbing piece, so you don't want to drown that out with a bunch of loud colors. So that was my mindset with this second outfit. Last but not least, we have the gray joggers. Because joggers are associated with athleisure and working out, I wanted to build my outfit around that theme. So for the top, I have a vintage Varsity jacket from Obey that I bought way back in high school. I think the blue and brown gives this outfit some much needed color, but also it's in a very subtle tone that doesn't make this outfit loud. Underneath, I have a gray hoodie to match the joggers and give it a tracksuit vibe. And underneath that, I have a plain black tee to finish it off. To further emphasize that athleisure look, for the shoes, I have on the Adidas Ultra Boost ATR Mid in Oreo. Super comfortable and my go-to shoes when I'm out hiking or a quick jog around the block. I think these shoes match the joggers so well because the joggers aren't just plain gray. They have this speckled gray tone, just like the Adidas Ultra Boost. Also, I had to throw on some black socks to match the black accents from these joggers. People don't realize this, but picking the right color socks with your outfit really does make a big difference. So that was my mindset coming in with this third and final outfit. So there you have it. These are my 3 outfits styled around pieces from Zara. You asked for a challenge and I brought everything I had to the table, and I hope I didn't fall short. Honestly, I think I did a pretty good job, but I'll let you guys decide on that. Drop your comments down below on who you think won this battle. If you haven't seen it yet, check out Kick It With Dang's video. I'll leave a link in the description below. And also please don't forget to let us know, who do you think won this battle? I think it was close, but I'll let you guys decide. Thank you again, Dang, for challenging me. I had a fun time making this video. If you haven't already, check out and subscribe to Kick It With Dang's channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.